hooligans! Have at you! My, you're a manky old thing. Kill the blighters! This will sting. I beg your pardon. How delightful. All right. Off I go then. Flying along, bumbling me song. Right away. Yoo-hoo, waiter, I'm out of mana. What a dull and dirty place. Yeah, what did you want now? Goodness me. Pip, pip. Golly gosh, you startled me frightfully there. Ah, that's proper good honey tea, that is. What a smashing day. I feel like nothing could go wrong. No snogging allowed during working hours, you drones. Your repetitive clicking is in bad show, Moppet. Bah, typical lower class. Click me again and I'll have your head. Why, you pretentious, pompous, pontificating butts! I am not amused.